Hey salam, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making conchiglie pasta in a rich mascarpone tomato sauce. In other words, I'm making pasta in a creamy sauce. You're really gonna enjoy this recipe. This pasta recipe is so creamy that you're gonna be lost for words. Let me give you an overview of this dish. We're gonna start with our turkey bacon, add in some garlic, some onions, add in our tomatoes, passata, our spices, cook that off, add in our mascarpone cheese, some double cream, mix in our pasta. Done. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Alright, first of all, you want to grab some turkey bacon. I'm just gonna take around 7 slices of this. You could also use beef pancetta for this. So we're gonna grab our slices, just stack them together like so, and you just want to, with your knife, go through and roughly chop this. That's perfect. And for the pasta I'm using here conchiglie rigati. Now if you look closely, this type of pasta has the shape of seashells and it's quite large in size than the normal pasta. Look at that beauty. In boiling water, you want to add a good touch of salt and a dash of oil. Use olive oil. Now throw in our beautiful pasta slowly. Give that a mix, and we're gonna let this cook on medium heat for around 10 minutes. Just gonna move the pasta on a different heat, and we're gonna grab another pan. Add a good touch of oil in that. In with our turkey bacon or beef pancetta if you want. Cook this until it starts to get light brown. Now as soon as it starts to get brown, I'm just gonna throw in thinly sliced garlic. Give that a mix and cook this until the garlic starts to get light brown as well. Now make sure to keep tossing this because you don't want to burn your turkey bacon or beef pancetta. Now it's time to throw our finely chopped onions. Give that a mix. And we're just gonna lightly cook those onions for around a minute. Just want to sweat those onions. We don't want any color on them. Just deglaze this using some pasta water. Beautiful. Now in with our tomatoes and passata. Give that a good mix. Add some of the pasta water, around half a cup. Alright, so just cover this now and let this simmer on low heat for 10 minutes. Make sure to remove the pasta after 10 minutes. Alright, let's check our sauce. Beautiful, looks amazing. Season with a pinch of salt, a good pinch of black pepper. For some heat, I'm using some cayenne pepper and a touch of paprika powder. Give this a really good mix. And we're gonna start with double cream. Just throw that in there. And I'm gonna add in our mascarpone cheese. Around 250 grams of that. You want to slowly start giving this a mix. And our sauce will be ready in around 2 minutes. Alright, so our sauce is done. Look at that beauty. Amazing. Turn off the heat now. Now if you want, you can serve this with a bit of fresh basil or dried parsley. A delicious tomato mascarpone sauce. Done. Throw in your beautiful pasta. Add a touch of olive oil on the top. touch of the black pepper, and just give that a mix. Just a light mix, alright, in the sauce. Oh man, they look so delicious, you know. Beautiful. Amazing. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Looks delicious. Bismillah. Look at that. Let's try this. It's so creamy and so tasty. Just melts in your mouth. Oh man, it's so good. The pasta is so big that can hardly fit in my mouth. Look at that. The shell is almost grabbing all the sauce inside. Oh man, you get all those flavors. I love this. This is cooked to perfection along with those turkey bacon. Oh man. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.